Hello and welcome to our very important lecture today about toxins. Today we're going to talk about toxins. What are toxins? Greek philosophers from back in the day, they had a very special and a very interesting definition of what is a toxin, what is a poison. And interestingly enough, it holds true up to this day. And the name of the philosopher, his name was Paracelsus. So Paracelsus, interestingly, said that a poison is anything that is taken in excessive amounts. So, what differentiates poison from remedy is the dosage. So, water, for example, who would think that water could be poison? If you drink too much water, then that would lead to hypervolemia, and that would dilute your blood and disrupt the isoosmolar balance, the state of U osmolarity, the homeostasis for the osmolarity of your blood will be disturbed by drinking too much water. So that's an example of taking too much of anything. Excessive dosage of anything is a perfect example of a poison and a toxin. So today we're gonna have very interesting objectives, and these are: what is a poison? What is a toxin? A toxin is anything that is poisonous. Toxicology is the study of the causes and the structures of poisons. How do they make their way into our bodies? And once these poisons are into our bodies, in toxicology we learn how do they get distributed throughout our bodily tissues, and then how do these poisons get metabolized in our bodies, and how do they get excreted, and how do these poisons have a mechanism of action that leads to a target poisonous effect. So there are three main routes. There are three main routes through which a poison or a toxin can make its way to the body. The first route is air, through inhalation. So you take a deep breath and you get air into your lungs. So these are the lungs. So from the air into